this week, I was staring at this space wondering what I could do to make it more functional. Coincidentally, this was around the same time that my roommate decided that she wanted a new kitchen table because she felt like ours was too small. Score. This meant I got to bring my solid wood butcher block table to this space. Not only is this an awesome table, but also in my boyfriend's kitchen, there isn't a whole lot of counter space, so I thought it would be great to expand the workable space and create some sort of prep area.
All right, so I'm about to put the brand new prep table in the kitchen, but currently after I measured it, one of these bins has got to go because otherwise it just doesn't fit. So I think this is the perfect opportunity to finally get rid of this bin that is literally just holding dog food that's been in there for the last 2 years. It's just old kibble. We don't use it anymore. So I'm gonna go to Goodwill and go donate it. But that being said, I also have to get rid of a small bookcase that used to be right here. I've been calling them at different times of the day for the last week or so because their bins are always full. So I'm hoping that this time I can actually take it. So here goes nothing.
Luckily, I was able to donate the bookcase, but while it was there, I decided, what the hell, let's look at some lamps, especially since we're on a budget here, see if I could find anything good. But unfortunately, everything was ugly as shit. It also smelled like shit too, so I promptly left.
Okay, so I am assembling this table here because the idea is that I want to make it a prep table and just extra counter space because there's not a lot of counter space in this whole kitchen. So I am adding more. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, this kind of makes the kitchen look a little bit smaller. But honestly, Tim wanted it here. And like I said, there's not a lot of counter space, so hopefully I'll warm up to it a little bit more. Little tip though, tables like this usually come with their own special kind of wrench. And honestly, what I always do is I take a piece of tape and I just tape it to the bottom because it's inevitable I'm going to need it again in the future and I really don't want to have to look for it somewhere. Okay, so I have just ordered some things on Amazon to go on the new tabletop counter, whatever you want to call it, to make the kitchen a little bit more functional because we are missing just about all of these appliances. Oh, no, wait. Excuse me. Are you trying to open it? Do you want to help me out and open it up? You can open it if you want. Hold on, can I mic you real quick? I gotta mic you. Go for it. Okay, so while Kirby tears up that box, I have a different package that I've got to open. And I'm pretty sure that I know what this is, because this is the only one I ordered from Walmart. I need scissors. All right, so the thing that I bought is a Keurig coffee maker, except it's not just any like normal Keurig coffee maker. It specifically has like iced coffee settings. And allegedly the way that it works is it starts out by brewing it really, really strong with like hot water. And then once it's done with that, then it brews kind of like cold water through it so it doesn't melt all of your ice. And I landed on this one because, not gonna lie, it was the cheapest one possible. But also because I only drink coffee cold. I only like iced coffee. I'm not a huge fan of like hot coffee. We don't need instructions. Oh, there's a straw. I guess they gave me a random straw. Thank you, I guess. Got a question, what the is this? Because this is the coffee maker, but I have absolutely no idea what this is. Oh! It's a cup. That's so cool. Do they normally come with cups, or listen, I don't know if these things normally come with cups or if I just got really lucky, but like, oh my God, this is so pretty. I'm so excited to put this on. Okay, I'm gonna go put this on the counter, or I'm gonna go add this to the collection, but I've got a bunch of other stuff that I have to open too. Okay, so unfortunately, I did not buy pods for this until this morning, and those are supposed to get here tomorrow. So I can't fully test out the coffeeness of this coffee maker. But I did get some really cool ones because I felt sort of bad about the like single-use pods, so I got compostable ones so I don't have to worry about the plastic waste. That being said, I have more to open. We have the next package, which I always forget goddamn scissors. Where's Kirby when you need them? Okay, now that I have scissors. For those of you that have either not been with my channel that long or have forgotten, let me jog your memory about something. A couple of months ago, I blew out Tim's toaster. Like, I destroyed it. Unintentionally. It wasn't because I thought it was ugly or anything like that. It was because I was sanding and I didn't use my brain and I wasn't thinking that would not blow everywhere. So I legitimately fried his toaster. So we've been toasterless for a while. Well, I have found this one. Bleeding. Okay. Look at how beautiful this toaster is. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go put this down too. I'm so excited about this one. So cute. It's super cute in person. Honey, do we have a power strip cord thing? Do we have like those like power strips? Do we have one?
How long of a cable do you want?
I don't know. Should we start with the short one?
Yeah. Where do you want to put it?
Well, the power outlet is right here.
Yeah, you guys want to lay it on the back?
Yeah.
Yeah, then you probably want the smaller cable one.
So one of the last things that I got was an electric kettle. And the reason for this was not because I ruined Tim's kettle like I ruined his toaster. The reasoning for this was because he actually had a really pretty little kettle that I loved, but unfortunately it was made out of glass. So after years worth of usage, it eventually just started to crack from all of the heat. So we then couldn't use it. We have to get a new one. So I got an electric one because apparently it heats up faster. I'm gonna test out all these things. Like I should test out the toaster. Let's test out the toaster first. A little piece for right now. It's definitely toasted. Okay, back to the electric kettle. I am so excited about this one because it took me a while to find one that I actually liked. And, well, correction. I found a couple that I really liked, but they were super expensive, like $100 or so for like the KitchenAid one. So I was like, bad. Oh, it's got one of those like little things for catching like, what is it called?
Debris.
Yeah, the little debris in here. Now I really want to boil some water in here. Oh, that's the on button. I also have a little crushed ice maker, so I'm hoping that that can fit on here too. Okay, I need your help because I can't decide what order to put these appliances in.
Ice maker, toaster, kettle, Keurig.
This is Tim's configuration. I like this.
Sure that you liked it.
After creating this prep table in the kitchen, I'm actually super happy with it. Weirdly enough, having these appliances out in front of my line of sight serves as a reminder that I have options when it comes to what to make for breakfast, amongst other things, and actually allows for a prep space for cooking, which ended up being far more functional than I initially anticipated. If you'd like to see more of me creating functional spaces, then this video where I turned this neglected entryway area into a functional space that works might be worth a watch.